Hello, creative souls, and welcome back to PepTalk SelfTalk. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to all our hearts: enhancing creativity through the inner voice. Our inner voice is a powerful tool that can unlock the doors to imagination and innovation. So, let's embark on this magical journey together to unleash our creative potential. Are you ready? Let's get started. 1. Embracing the inner voice. Before we dive into creativity, let's take a moment to appreciate our inner voice. It's that whisper inside us that guides and inspires. Embrace it, for it holds the keys to our unique perspective and untapped creativity. Trust that your inner voice has something beautiful to offer to the world. 2. Nurturing a creative mindset. Creativity flourishes in a fertile mind. To nurture a creative mindset, we need to create a space where ideas can bloom. Allow yourself time for solitude, exploration, and play. Free yourself from judgment and self-doubt. Remember, there are no right or wrong ideas. All are stepping stones to greatness. 3. Tapping into the power of daydreams. Daydreaming isn't just a distraction, it's a gateway to creativity. Our minds wander to places where the impossible becomes possible. So, embrace those moments of daydreaming. Let your mind wander freely, and you'll be surprised by the sparks of creativity it ignites. 4. Listening to intuition. Our intuition is the wisest counselor we possess. When it comes to creativity, it's essential to listen to our instincts. Trust that gut feeling that guides you toward a particular idea or path. Your intuition is a compass that will lead you to your most authentic and innovative creations. 5. Embracing failure as a stepping stone. In the journey of creativity, you may encounter failure, and that's perfectly okay. Failure isn't the end, it's a stepping stone to success. Embrace it, learn from it, and keep moving forward. Remember, every great creator has stumbled along the way. Don't let fear of failure hold you back. Let it fuel your growth. 6. Breaking free from creative blocks. We all face creative blocks from time to time, but fear not. They are temporary. When you feel stuck, take a step back, breathe, and revisit your inner voice. Ask yourself what's causing the block and explore different angles. Sometimes, a small shift in perspective is all you need to break through the barriers. As we come to the end of this episode, I want to remind you that creativity is your birthright. Embrace your inner voice, nurture your imagination, and allow yourself to express your unique creativity fearlessly. If you enjoyed this pep talk, give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow creatives. Together, let's celebrate the beauty of our inner voices and bring our creative visions to life. Until next time, keep shining and keep creating. This is PepTalk SelfTalk, signing off.